Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. In this video, we are going to see the design and simulation of an ANN-based MPPT controlled solar PV battery powered BLDC motor drive. The BLDC motor used in this system is a 24V 40W motor with rated speed of 3000 RPM, rated torque of 0, 125 Nm and rated current of 2 kappa. The motor parameters are entered in the BLDC motor block using the manufacturer's specifications such as line resistance, inductance, torque constant, voltage constant, and pole pairs. To supply this motor, we use a solar PV array rated around 100 W. Each panel gives nearly 17V and 94A, and two panels are connected to meet the required power. A 12V 100 hour battery is also connected through a bidirectional converter. Since the DC bus requirement is 24V, both the PV boost converter and battery bidirectional converter are designed using suitable inductor and capacitor values. For MPPT control, ANN is used. The N takes irradiance and temperature as inputs and generates the reference voltage for the PV system. This reference voltage is compared with the actual PV voltage, and the error is processed through a PI controller to generate the duty cycle for the boost converter. The battery side converter is controlled separately to maintain the DC bus voltage at 24V. When PV power is higher than the motor demand, the battery charges. When PV power reduces, the battery discharges and supports the motor. Simulation results show PV voltage, current, power, battery current, SOC, DC bus voltage, motor speed, torque, stator current, and back EMF under changing irradiance conditions.